a la playa.
Hi, we're the Salas family and we're on a round-the-world trip with our 2 kids. We just spent 2 months in South America and we're making our way back to North America for a month in Mexico. After spending 2 weeks in Mérida in Mexico, driving across the Yucatán Peninsula and spending a couple more weeks in Playa del Carmen, checking out all of the big highlights in the surrounding area, we are ready to welcome my sister and her family.
But first, we have to check out of our Airbnb apartment and into a larger house that can fit us all. Good morning! We are packing up our Airbnb and heading over to a larger one so we can help host Martine's sister Michaela and her family. This is our 12th place that we're staying, 13 total in the various places we visited in South and North America. I think it's 10 Airbnbs and 3 hotels total. Checking into our new Airbnb house and getting everything stacked and ready, I am driving over to Cancun to pick up Michaela and her family from the airport. Good evening. We are heading to Cancun to pick up Martine's sister Michaela and her family. We made it to Cancun Airport. That was an easy drive. And now it's time for us to go find our family. They flew so far to see us. We love them much. We're so excited to see you. What is it?
After my sister and her family got settled in, we wanted to show them around downtown Playa del Carmen.
The downtown area as an introduction to the area, but if you're in Playa del Carmen, you have to go to the beach, right?
We ended up going to our favorite beach in the area, which was Punta Esmeralda. Punta Esmeralda is a public and local beach, which we had explained in a previous video that we really liked it for a number of reasons. It seemed to be where a lot of families from the area would go, on Sundays and on the weekend to have their barbecues and get some sun. But also because there's a really cool feature. There's a cenote in there that has It's not a cavern, but the spring is still there, so it feeds this fresh water directly into the ocean, but creates a nice, shallow swimming area for little kids, and it's really great to swim in.
The video, but you have to say something about what you love. Some of them
And you had to be like behind these.
Yeah, say something about that. What do you love? I love pretty stuff.
For sure.
Do you like cheeseburgers?
Yeah.
Mama, want to see the video? Say something about yourself that you love to do.
I love to eat ice cream.
I guess that's the end of the video, but I'll pick another one. Look to the camera. Dancy? Okay. Do the floss.
Since my sister and her family came all the way from the US to join us, we wanted to make sure that we had the most fun time. So we brought them to an eco-archaeological park.
It technically is a water park, but really it's a combination of everything that you would love in the Riviera Maya. It faces the Caribbean, so you have a beach on site. It also has some ruins, so you have the archaeological park element there. And it has a number of cenotes amid the larger jungle, so you can basically get water in a variety of ways. And they've built this massive water park, and you know, there's historical elements to it, cultural elements, and it's all right there in one place.
Vamos a bailar.
visit was also great because it's Sienna's birthday, and this means we get to celebrate together as a big family. Happy birthday to you. Time to do just one more thing with them, so we figured it should probably be Chichén Itzá, except it's always a little challenging to do things with the babies, so Martine was kind enough to volunteer to stay home with them so that we could do it without the little ones.
Over 100 days since we left our home in the US with our 2 kids and started this awesome global adventure. We've gone through Peru and the Sacred Valley, through Bahia and Rio in Brazil, and all the way across the Yucatan in Mexico. And I'm really happy to say that we got to close this out with a visit from my sister and her family. And next, we get to go home to reconnect with our families.
Before we head to China the long way and do the next leg of our round the world tour.
We hope you join us.